Here, this is the home screen of the app. Very simple to use, nothing hard for you to not understand. So I'm gonna keep this very short. Similar to the other AI applications that I've reviewed, this one is pretty much simple to use. So all I have to do is go ahead and tap on the, let's say for example this here. If you do want to watch this, you tap on what you want to watch, and as well it will show you if it's available for you to watch, or if you want to watch this here. So these Christian Science mean movies that are available to watch, so do keep that in mind, guys. But once the movie is available to watch, then you will pretty much see their rating or what stars and so forth. So if it doesn't have any star, that means it's not available as yet on the application. So if I do tap on it here, you can pretty much go ahead and tap on watch now, and it will pretty much show you links available for you to watch it. As well, if this section or this server is a problem, do recommend tapping on the option where it says change server, and you pretty much can select any one out of these here. And let's say for example this one here or this one here, and it will pretty much go ahead and change the server. As well, that's not working, let's select a different one. That's not working, let's select a different one. If that's not working, you just go ahead and select different ones until you find the ones that are working. So all you have to do is tap on the one that you want to watch, then you go ahead and select the server, and you should be good to go. If you still don't understand, let me know your problem in the comment section, and we'll see if we can help you guys. See you guys in the next one.